slide this guy out. Boom, there's all my power tools. I know some of you guys will be like, why do you have X, Y, and Z brand? Well, because I've had these for a while and I just kind of mix and match. So, I mean, I've had these for so long that there's no use for me getting a new set unless these break. And when these break, I'll get another brand. But there you go, there's a little container. And these are also powered. So right here, right? You can turn this on, turn it off, put your chargers right here, keep everything hidden. And that's basically my power. I literally just got this. So most of these things are quite empty. And I got a bunch of drawers right here, as you can see. Same right here, same types of drawers. I mean, look, $1,000 spoon wires. So yeah, this is still empty because I haven't been using it yet. I gotta transfer all my tools, but I got a bunch of random stuff: camber gauge, spoon box, fluid transfer, and plates for the Genesis, and some other stuff. But that's essentially the storage capacity here. This thing is huge, dude. And then obviously keyed as well. So check this out. Ooh, got my torque wrenches up here. The power. So this is the power. Pretty cool because sometimes I charge my camera, this camera that I'm using right now, my phone, up here. And then I also have their little collapsible rolling table. So there you go. The garage is full of Cenex stuff. Dude, bang for the buck. Really good quality products. And all of these guys are rolling, right? So you can roll them out, clean your garage, roll them back in, and obviously you can lock them down too. So that's essentially my go-to tool set for building cars. I know it sounds like a lot, but dude, trust me, one of these days you're gonna be like, oh crap, I can't get into this area because I need a specialty wrench. Boom, S-wrench, trust me, these things will save your life. Or say, oh, I need a stubby, but I need it ratcheting. Boom, got some on there too. I mean, not everything I have on here is Cenex, obviously. It's like a mix and match of stuff that I've had. But if I could buy it all again, I'd probably just go with one brand because it's easier. And then I also have a bunch of random stuff on this wall. And I keep everything in these little containers because if I need something, I just grab everything and go, right? If I need to go to, like, say, Lauren's house to help her build her car, like, oh, I'm just grab this box because I know this is all my specialty stuff. So, washers and grommets and all sorts of other stuff like this, right? It's always good to buy these because you never know what you need, and sometimes you need like 50 million sizes. And then spare stuff. This is my microfiber box, just random old stuff. I got my new microfibers up here. I got my measuring box, right? I got my sanding box. I got secondary sanding box. And then my extension cord right here, one of my chargers, one of many hardware boxes. These are actually bolts and hardware that I remove from kits. I would say, like, if a radiator comes with brackets and bolts or whatever, and I don't want to use the bolts, boom, put them there. Or axle nut from a kit that I didn't like and whatever. And I have different hardware stuff right here too. So yeah, it all adds up, man. Trust me, when you're building cars at this level, you end up needing to buy multiple tools and different types of specialty stuff.